Alright, in this video we are going to talk about the ceramic spray, wipe spray, which is the Silex Recharge. So this vehicle right here, I have used the Silex Recharge, and this is the one coat process Toyota white. So first did a compound, and that's why you can see that amazing shine. Look at the reflection of the trees in there. A bit of a cloudy day. If it was sunshine, you would see the sun just gleaming off this thing. But so did a compound, did a wax, and then since then have washed and used the Silex Recharge. So instead of taking some purple water and pouring it on this vehicle, we are going to take it through a mud bog. I'm going to go do some off-roading. It's supposed to be raining tonight, hence the cloudy skies. And tomorrow morning should be plenty of mud over in a trail, off-roading trail that we're going to take this good old Landcruiser on, and then afterwards we will see how that mud washes off the entire vehicle and how the Recharge does. And here is that Hydro Silex Recharge. Simple spray on with a clean microfiber. What I like about it is you wash your car, you can take kind of a squeegee to get as much water off quickly within a minute or two, and then you wipe the rest with that. So you can mix a little bit of water with that Recharge, not a problem, and the results are really good. But let's see how this fares when this truck will be covered, I mean covered, in mud. So let's wait till tomorrow and we'll post this up. Okay, here we are post-ride, and the ceramic is covered in mud. It just didn't all wash away. It is on there good. On there real good. So I'm going to hit it with the pressure washer. Even on the roof, if you saw when I went through that mud bog, it sprayed right on up on the roof. That's pretty crazy. Alright, let's get the pressure washer. Alright, we got the Stanley pressure washer. It's more than enough. And the beautiful thing about having the WeatherTech mats, guess what? No mud in my car because I was getting in and out of my truck while off-roading. So I just get to spray that down. Super easy. Now also the Rock Warrior wheels, I ceramic coated those with the Recharge. So let's see how easy this comes off. And I'd have to say pretty darn easy. Now what about the truck? Obviously it's coming off easy. I'm gonna have to scrub that, of course, but it just makes this is dried mud caked on there. So that's my new hang on, let's make this a that's my new Z. Alright, so I'll get her all washed up and let's see how she looks when I'm done. So that's the Recharge ceramic coat, making cleanup a lot easier. So there's just spraying it. It's taking all the mud off. So I'm going to hit a mitten on this, of course, as well. But just look how easy. Just that simple Recharge ceramic coating makes cleanup so easy. And my pressure washer, I don't have it super close to the car. If I put it closer, I mean, it just, look at that. Just takes it all off. On the car and on those wheels. I even ceramic the windows, and it just, if you saw how that, when the mud hit, it just sheeted off the truck. Of course, some of it's still going to stick and dry to it, but let's look at the windows, how that mud comes off so easily. And it just beads right off. No more mud compared to some of them. It's just the where it beaded off, it dried like that, so it comes off. Just like that, nice and easy. Well, that's just power washing it. All that mud that was dried on it, wheels, windows, everything just came off real easy with my Stanley power washer. I think it's like 150 bucks at Walmart. And it does the job. It's about all the power you need. You don't want to strip off paint. But yeah, we're still going to soap her up. But look at that. All that mud, that's no hand touching. That's no mitt. That's just the power washer. Taking all the mud off because this has been, well, compounded, waxed, and then finished off with the Recharge ceramic spray. And then I'll put more Recharge when I go to dry it. To me, it works like a quick detailer. Just spray, wipe any excess water. Because here in California, we have hard water, so you want to definitely wipe that off. All right, let's give her some soap. And I'll show you another reason why I love the power washer. So another reason why I love the power washer, you get to put this deal on and foam down the entire car, and then come and hit it with your mitten. Makes washing so easy. Alright, so she's been soaped down, hand washed. As much as I love the power washer, when it comes to rinsing, I just love a traditional garden hose where you can just put a ton of water on. Now this garden hose is not your typical 1/2 inch, it's 3/4 inch, so this is like major, major water hose. Tons of water comes out, but that's the best way to rinse. Just a ton of water. Not enough water comes out of that pressure washer to give it a quick rinse. And then when it comes to drying, I love to use one of these because you can get rid of the bulk of the water quickly, and then you come with a microfiber and the Recharge, and you wipe down while applying another coat of the Recharge. So quick and easy around the whole car, and then we'll hit it with Recharge in a second. Get one of these at your local auto parts supply store. So after getting her all spongied, wiped down, there's still water on it, and the water here in California again it's hard water. It's got calcium in it, so I'm going to hit it with the Silex Recharge to refreshen it up. And I do this after every wash. That way, you know, they say this lasts 3 months. Well, it's going to continue to last as you keep putting coat after coat after coat. So new microfiber, and we'll give her a wipe down. And there's the finished product. So this morning, hit some off-road in a clean truck, lots of mud on it, and then power wash, soap, hand wash, rinse, and then dry while putting on some of the good old Recharge. All right, so I'd recommend it. Recharge is awesome. It's priced right, inexpensive. Get it on eBay or Amazon, and it's a great way to maintain the shine of this truck or any vehicle you have.